Set, ready. Right. Three quarters, lengthen, full stroke, now 20, step 1, 2, 44, 3, hands up, 4, let's go, 5, sharp, 6, sharp, 7, yeah, 8, here we go, 9, ready, 10 more on this one, step 1, 2, hands up, 3, here we go, 4 with the legs, 5, fuck yeah, 6, nice, 7, we will stride in 2, 1, and 2 on this one. Boom, stride, step, stride, legs 39, sharp, now swing, sharp, swing, up on all crews, 4 seat on Oakland, 2 seat on CRI, yeah boys, hold it now, step, send it, legs, yeah, sharp, swing it, hold it boys, 37, into, we'll take another stride, get it to a 36, that's 1, ready, 2, now stride, boom, stride, step, stride, 36, yeah, hold it, good, bow deck on Oakland, bow deck on CRI, yeah boys, now we gotta hold it, step tall together, step, send it, sharp, now swing, yeah boys, coming through the first 500, into, we'll take 5 strokes to sharpen up the catches, into, ready, that's 1, together, 2, sharp here, sharp, 1, 2, hands up, catch, 3, sharp, 4, 5, now keep it together, sharp, good, bow ball on CRI and Oakland, yeah boys, sharp into the front end guys, get those catches right together, catch, swing, step, swing, legs, body, good boys, 35 is our rate, 133 is our split, yeah, drop it back to the bell ball, hands up, drop it back, send it, drop, send it, step, nice, let's tap it down and around the back end boys, down and around the back end, nice and tall, sit up, chins and chest stay up, Henry, sit up, there we go, good, Kevin, make sure we're dropping it back to the bell ball, bring the hands up into the front end, drop it back, send it, alright guys, I'm on bow ball of Oakland and CRI, into, we're gonna take a 10, we're coming up to the 1,000, we're gonna walk right through them, blow past them, into, ready, that's 1, together, 2, now move, step, 1, 2, drop the hammer, 3, here we go, 4, yeah, 5, go, 6, go, 7, hands up, 8, nice, 9 with the legs, 10, just crossed the 1,000, good, I'm on bow deck of Oakland, Oakland's trying to sneak up, don't let him, shut him the fuck down, hands up, drop it back to the bow ball, drop, send, right on the tip of their bow deck here guys, nice and tall, step, send, legs, body, drop it back with the outside arm, place with the outside arm here guys, sharp, send, step, nice, less than halfway to go guys, less than halfway, I'm on the bow deck of Oakland strokes guys, we need to get up, we need to fucking go, into, we're gonna take a lengthen 5 and 10, we're gonna drop the fucking hammer, move away from Oakland, I'm on their bow seat, they're taking a move, into, we will go, that's 1 and 2, 5 here, step, 1, long, 2, 3 with the legs, 10 and 2, that's 1 and 2, 10 now, 1, 2, here we go, 3, bow seat, 4, move, 5, move, 6, hands up, 7, nice, 8, big legs, 9, big legs, 10, move, sharp, go, I'm on their bow seat, they're holding, they're not moving anymore, we got this guys, hands up into the front end, drop it back now, sharpen the catches, sharp, send, step, nice, Kevin, we gotta drop it back, Kyle, we gotta hold that blade buried, Henry, sit up, nice and tall, sharp, sit up, 3 seat, gotta hold that blade buried all the way, push off the square at the finish, I'm now on 3 seat on Oakland guys, In 2, we're gonna take 5 strokes. We need to go, move it up on Oakland. In 2, that's 1, ready, 2, 5 now. Step 1, 2, hands up. 3, here we go. 4, move. 5, nice. All right, guys, we're coming up to the 250 to go. In 2, we're at a 36. We're gonna take 5 for quick hands to start our sprints. We need to move. I'm on 4 seat of Oakland. In 2, that's 1, ready, 2, quick hands. Go. 1, go. 2, 3, quick. 4, 37. 5, now sprint. 250 to go. Here we go. Step, move. 4 seat on Oakland, guys. Get us up. Step, send it. Boom, sharp. Boom, sharp. Step, hands up. Legs, go. Sharp, go. Big legs. Big legs. 37 is the rate, guys. We'll shift it up 1 beat. In 2, that's 1, ready, 2, up now. Step, move. Sharp, go. 7 seat on Oakland, guys. Finish it. Sharp, send it. Legs, go. Fucking move, boys. 38, here we go, guys. Finish it. 6 seat, yeah, nice. Step, move. Legs, almost home, boys. Sharp, finish it. Step, send. Step, send. Hang, swing. Hang, swing. Easy. Just let it run.